Welcome everyone, and thank you so much for joining in. So if you are asking this question, what could the price of Bitcoin be doing in the medium short term? What could the price of Bitcoin be doing in the upcoming days? Then this here is the right place, because in this video I have prepared some very interesting charts which are indicating us where the price of Bitcoin in the medium short term and also for the upcoming days might be possibly hitting. But before I do that, before I start talking about these interesting scenarios, I just want to quickly aware you guys about Bybit World Series of Trading competition, which is going to start in 12 days 23 hours from now. Yes guys, if you want to take part in this event, if you want to fight for this 8 million USDT joining my team, then the link to this WSOT from Bybit is provided in the description down below. Feel free to check it out or simply scan this QR code. Now let's jump into the content. So to those individuals who watched my video from yesterday, you guys saw this coming. I mean, I was very clear. The price of Bitcoin in the medium short term is showing weakness and also could be getting gravitated towards the key line of support first before deciding the trend duration. And this key line is sitting around 28,000. But I even showed you with this distribution schematic from Wyckoff's event and phases that we could be slowly entering inside this phase E. And in phase E, the price starts the distribution phase. That was the reason why I was actually shouting on top of my lungs to be careful and not to over leverage, because if you look at the price structure right now and if you look at this Wyckoff's distribution schematic, the demand is less and supply is more. And now if the price of Bitcoin is going to do just like I shown you an example, then there might be small relief rally, right? In the medium short term, we could see price coming back to test the key line of support, previous support, before turning this into an actual reversal, just like as shown here in an example. Because if you look at the price action here in a bit different way, I mean, if you look at the price action of Bitcoin here using this descending broadening wedge, we can see very clearly, guys, the price yesterday when it had this retracement, it got attracted towards this key line, the lower line from this descending broadening wedge, and now we are trying to show some relief rally. So in the medium short term, if the price of Bitcoin does show some relief rally, then please monitor the price movement around 29,600 very closely, because we know price coming back to there's the key line of support or price getting attracted towards this 0.5 and getting rejected around that area could turn this relief rally into a dead cat bounce. Yes, a dead cat bounce means price could get attracted towards the 0.5 to 0.61 Fibonacci line, and getting rejection on that area means it is going to continue towards the original trend. I mean, we will be following the original trend, which in our case is clearly heading here to the downside, and we are also going to monitor this bearish broadening wedge scenario for Bitcoin. Now, even if we look at the price action of Bitcoin in a bit different way, could show some relief rally towards this key line, this 29,600, 29,700. But we have to be careful, guys. We have to be careful, because you can see the line which previously acted as a support in our case might be retested, right? But this exact line which previously acted as support could be acting as a resistance. Yes guys, and the price after that could show an actual reversal here to the downside. And according to this broadening wedge, our price objective is somewhere between 28,000 range. That's why, guys, that's why please be careful. The price of Bitcoin in the medium short term could show some relief rally, but at the end could get attracted towards this key line of support which you have around 28,000 before deciding the actual trend duration. But we are expecting the price after some retracement to show some relief rally, actual relief rally between 35 to 40,000 before deciding the actual trend duration. And now, even if we look at this here in a smaller time, guys, this falling trend line in the past price action always acted as a strong line of support. In our case, since we have broken below it, this is going to be look as a relief rally, but this relief rally could be ending after getting attracted towards this previous temporary support line. Yes guys, we are expecting the price of Bitcoin to face some resistance around 29,600, 29,700 towards the previous temporary support line, and only after breaking above that we know this is going to be more of a continuation pattern, and this will be looked as a fake out. But getting rejection around that area means the price in our case could be following dead cat bounce, and in this dead cat bounce our price objective is going to be somewhere around 28,000. Yes guys, 28,000 will be looked as our, or considered as our target area from this dead cat bounce if we fail to flip 29,500, 29,600 into proper support. Now to those individuals who have been following me, I was actually warning you because we spotted bearish divergence on RSI. MACD started to form this bearish crossover. Even the TTCCI indicator started appearing in a negative territory, and I was very clear in the medium short term there might be some shakeout. Price could be coming back to test the key line of support before deciding the trend duration. So in our case, the key line of support, again you can see from the bottom till the top, this Fibonacci retracement of 0.5, and to start with a move in this manner, I mean price finding support over 28,000 could lead to another continuation here to the upside between 35 to 40,000 before deciding the actual trend direction. And now even if you look at this in a bigger frame, I mean in a bigger frame, this is a rising wedge, but we know the lower trend line from this rising wedge always acted as a strong line of support. If it does shows any sort of a weakness in the medium short term, to get attracted towards the lower trend line from this rising wedge, find support, and also find support from this crypto Anup buy sell indicator. This is our indicator, and if you want to get this indicator for free, then do join our Telegram group. So in a weekly, we can see there might be some more weakness, but price could still hold the support which you have around 28,000. So that's why guys, as long as we don't break below 28,000, any sort of a shakeout will be looked as a temporary retracement or temporary shakeout before price again starts showing another impulsiveness, because we know, looking at this using Stan Weinstein, or sorry, Livermore speculative chart, this accumulated cylinder with widening mouth retracement around this lower trend line doesn't necessarily mean the price is bearish, because this could be a retest, just like here from the past price action, right? This here could be a retest before price again continues this uptrend. So in our case, please be careful, please do not panic even if the price shows weakness and gets attracted towards 28,000. So these were some of the quick update that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my work, then do destroy that like button. And guys, if you want to take part in this Bybit World Series of competition with a prize pool of $8 million, the link is in the description down below, or simply scan this QR code. Now, by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye.